Go.
Are you gonna?
Yeah.
Are you gonna say?
Wait.
Oh.
Go.
Go. Wait for me to tell you to say go.
Then why don't you just
No,
say
no.
go?
Oh, shut up, Alexa. Okay, say go.
Go.
Okay, too slow. Ready? Go.
Go.
That was weird. Okay, go.
Go. You started early.
Oh, 2 little pyramids, and they're already closing.
I don't think you're doing that.
Alexa, you don't.
You made the pyramid!
Okay. Don't say anything when I make the pyramid.
Okay, you know what? I don't think you're doing this right.
Yeah, this is not working.
You're not going fast enough.
Shut up. How do those kids do this?
They practice a lot.
They practice this? What a waste of time. What we need is some kind of really cool talent, you know? This is lame anyway. We need something spectacular. People are going to look and they're going to be like, what an awesome guy. I want to watch 1 million of his videos. Holy crap, since when can you juggle?
I don't know. I never really thought of it as juggling, you know, I just kind of thought of it as throwing things up and catching them.
What?
Sorry.
No, it was good, good. Do it again.
Really?
Yeah, go.
Okay, say go.
I just said go.
Do it
Go.
again.
Do it. Don't do that head thing, that's dumb. What the hell? Who doesn't know they can juggle? Why didn't you tell me this? That was amazing! You're an idiot! Let's go!
See, that was amazing.
What's wrong with your blinds? Let's go, come on. Yes.
Do I need the fruit?
No, put the fruit back!